Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is seems like a bullish trend, all right? But at this moment, you can see that we have a break of the high one time, two times, then definitely is a bullish trend. So defining trend is very, very important because it will give you a idea, are you trading against the trend or are you trading with the trend, with the flow of the trend, because you be using a different kind of risk management or trade management when you're engaging such trade. Down to the 4-hour chart, you can see that it's moving higher, and later I'll share with you some of the move or some of the trading strategies I have based off the euro dollar chart. As you can see, the flag is cyan over here, which means a almost immediate execution when the market opens. So these are the trades that you have to look very, very closely. You can scan this QR code, it will bring you to our Telegram, our Discord server, because we will have more support on the Discord server at this moment. So sorry about that. So we have made a few changes on the Discord server. We have changed some of the text channel to a forum setting instead, because we find that the presentation of the entire server or rather the channel within the server, that's how we could call it, correct? Because Telegram, you have a channel, and within the channel you can put in one group to enable people for discussion, correct? However, for Discord, why we like to move it over there, because there's just too many fake accounts on my end. Alright, so speaking of fake accounts, these are all the real accounts, social media I'm in. I don't think you need to follow me on all social media, but just in case you are in this social media and you want to connect with the real account, real me, then you have to follow Rainlim, RAYNLIM. Double check the user ID, not just looking at display name, because there's just too many fake accounts even in Telegram. So we have decided to shift to Discord. So at least when you are in Discord, there's only one server, right? So it's the same server equals channel for Telegram channel. They're just using different names to differentiate it. All right, so so with that, you only need to join one, correct? And all other activities and information is a one-stop service, and we all know how social media works. You know, if you don't view us on a regular basis, then some of the posts you might not be able to see it. So with a private server that we have in Discord, it allows you to receive all important information. However, following our Instagram and Twitter will be a great help as well. And follow me on Telegram prevents you to get scammed by fake Rainlim account. All right, so that's when you scan this QR code, it will bring you to Discord server. On the announcement channel, top of it, the pin message, you will get to see an invitation to our free trading over here. All right, so within this trading, what you can get is a free trading, free course, so you can get started, you know, practice the strategy we taught you about and stuff like that, and share on the channel within the server that you can share your analysis and stuff like that. I may not comment on it because we just do not have time to support so many people. We focus a lot on our own students' development. All right, and of course here and there I might just respond, I might just share some of my analysis, and you know, when you are in the Discord server, you receive 3 of my analysis before the market open. All right, this is the part of giving back that we do on our end, and you can check all past what you call analysis that we have done. From there, I want you to focus more on my thought process, how I generate this. All right, and there are a lot of videos. All right, we are in for our trade ideas, this expert level access to our students. We are moving towards 600 videos, and weekly market analysis is more than that. All right, so I believe it's about 900 plus. All right, because we have 3 instead of 2. Correct, simple math, right? So if you scroll down further, and if you want to get coached by us, just drop me a message on Telegram or Discord. Display tell us your interest, or even our WhatsApp you can find on our company website. Then from there, I'll arrange a call, or rather I will give you a couple of steps of information how you can go about it. All right, so this is one of the trade that we do. All right, you can see that the entire trading setup we are looking at, even target one is giving you a 2-1 ratio, which means it put you in an advantage, put you in an edge when you are trading. That means advantage over the market and advantage over other traders as trading. It's very unlikely for you to see 116 pips for one target in trading. If you scroll down, you can see that it's pretty much a common theme that we have over here, because we want traders have an advantage when they are trading, rather than, you know, every trade they engage is a 1:1. That means you risk $1 and gain $1. Then I find that that's not very good. And most of the time, traders out there, if they are good trading or good traders, their risk management and stuff like that is 0.8:1. That means they are risking $1 to 80 cents. If I put it this way, it makes sense to you, correct? But if you're out there looking for solutions and looking for listening to how others are doing their sharing and stuff like that, you might not discover this part of stuff. And this part of stuff is super important in trading. It can be a make or break, one of the make or break factor. All right, so let's head back to the daily chart, and I'll share with you my analysis and strategy for the coming week. So as you can see, the key resistance level on the weekly chart seems to be broken. Let's have a look. But the entire structure based on the resistance, it still stands. All right, it's just that we can no longer call it a key resistance. I have these special terms that I have that give strength, or in fact, it can still be, on the bigger picture, it is still a key resistance. So let me just change it back. All right, on the bigger picture, it still is. Let's see how it goes and reacts at this level if it managed to climb up to the level. But what is important right now is that, oh my God, now we have overlay. Okay, let me see. It's for the same purpose, so I'm going to delete it. So let me double check the alert. All right, so let me just remove it. All right, so anyway, this is a bearish crab pattern. All right, I'm waiting for a shorting opportunity about 1.0597, which is 1.06. Perfect, because that will bring in the price action trader to jump in and trade. All right, down to the 4-hour chart, what we have over here is, you can see that it's lighted red, which pretty much means that I'm looking for a shorting opportunity. Why is that so? Even the price is getting higher, we have a RSI divergence over here that indicates weakness, that indicates a potential shorting opportunity. The keyword is potential. Don't get the wrong keyword. Yeah, so that means I will need further confirmation, and I already have it. A bearish shark pattern setup on the check back. Once market open, I will see how it goes. If it gap up, then this is an invalid trade. If the market head back down from here, then it is good. It is great for me for a shorting opportunity. At least I don't want to see it climbs higher. The earliest I'll engage the trade is about 9 a.m. So just take it as 9 a.m. Singapore time. Is +8 GMT. So work your time backwards. And if you're our students, there's no need to worry about it, because you receive my every move. Right now, we're sharing it in Discord channel. The specific channel that is being marked as channel name as Trade Ideas. Not to confuse you, I have really a lot of cool names, but I think to just keep it as it is clearer to you. And the emoji is really clear. You have the bear emoji before the bull emoji. The trade floor server is more for your discussion. All right, we will just observe if there's any spamming activity. If without, we might not even interact or intervene those who are sharing their trading ideas and stuff like that. It's an unmoderated chat in a way, or minimum moderated chat in a way. So if you really love to get into our community, be sure to check out the Discord server and share it with your friends. Very soon, I will be spending a bit more time to develop and enhance the Discord server. This will be the final place we'll be in, at least for a while, until if we find that there's a better supporting platform and stuff like that, then we'll ask you to shift. I myself, I don't like to keep on shifting as well. So this could be it, meaning we say that we might not shift to any other platform unless there are better options or there are hiccups in the entire Discord community. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so that's pretty much I have for you right now. All right, if you really love to make an impact, a change to your financial standing, I understand that a lot of people comes to me, they want to learn how to trade and stuff like that, and they say that, hey, I don't have the money and stuff like that, and that's precisely you want to learn how to trade, correct? So if you have the money, you would be doing the things you want to do. Not many people will have like, I have the money, I want to learn trading. This is really rare. Throughout my 17 years of trading and 14 years of coaching people always want to learn how to trade when they are in need of money or they desire to have a better life. All right, so more options. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Looking forward very soon to see you in our community. Until then, plan your trade and trade plan.